Yo, 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 yo. What's up? What's up? What's up? Chef Young D right here. All right, guys. I've just received a package, right? And this package is coming from a company called Starfrit, right? They're the makers of some of the best pots in the industry right now, right? And they send me a package for me to review. And guys, I'm so excited. Just look at this. My name is even on the package, Chef Young D's Kitchen. Can you believe this? Wow. All right, so let's go ahead and get this package all open, right? Guys, I'm so excited to see what's inside this package. Trust me. All right, so now, guys, let's see what's inside this box. Trust me, I'm so excited right now. Honestly, I swear. Wow, guys, just look at this. Look at this, guys. Whoa, the pot here. Yo, trust me, I love the color too, man. Whoa, I love that blue. I love that blue pot. Trust me. Guys, look at this other pot right here, right? All right, so look here, guys. Look at this. So this is a 5 quart pot, right? And it's one of their one pot series, right? And as you can see right here, it's the rock, right? And trust me, the rock is some of the best pot I ever used in my life, right? These are non-sticks. And when I tell you non-stick, right? Really non-stick. Trust me. You cook anything in this pot, rice, anything, you can just take your hand and just scoop it all out. It's not gonna stuck to the surface, right? Wow, this pot is so pretty. Look at it. Perfect for stews, right? Perfect for steaming vegetable, for anything. Look at it. Ain't this magnificent? I can't wait to use this. Wow, so gorgeous, right? All right, so right here again, right? We have a 7.2 quart pot, and this is also a one pot, right? Series, right? And as you can see, is the rock again, right? It's one of the rock series as well, guys. Trust me, yo, I'm so excited. Look at look at the color. Let's look at this color pot, right? This color is so unique. Look here, look at this, right? So you can basically do everything in this pot, right? I'm just looking at this pot, perfect for rice, perfect for soup, right? And also meat, right? Nice. I love it. I love it. Trust me. Guys, I honestly can't wait to start cooking in this pot, right? Trust me. These pots are amazing. You need to try it out. Trust me.